click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we're going to talk about shares online trading. Now this is in contrast to call and trade facility which has been used by a lot of traders in the recent past. Now with the advent in technology, you can obviously trade in online fashion through different trading platforms. This tutorial is for beginner level traders, how they can use different trading platforms, what things they need to take care of while they actually do it. Let's get started. Now, the facility of buying and selling the shares through a virtual trading platform is referred to as shares online trading. The facility is offered by most of the stockbrokers in India, as well as that companies that offer financial instruments such as equity, mutual funds, IPO, commodity, currency through different trading platforms. It could be a web application, a terminal software, or a mobile app. Now, major instruments that are traded online are equity, commodity, and currencies. So equity could be the shares of the companies that are listed in the stock market. For example, if you want to buy a specific number of stocks of Infosys or ICICI, now these are the different equity instruments of these companies. Commodity trading is done through different products such as gold, silver, crude oil, nickel, copper, aluminium. There are different sort of examples there. And when it comes to currency level trading, you can trade in Indian rupee versus US dollars, Indian rupees versus euros, and few other permutations and combinations are available. Now, how do you actually start online trading is a question that rings the bell for an online beginner level trader. Now, you need to obviously open a Demat account for that. Once the Demat account is opened, you will get shares online trading kit, which will basically include your ID, your password, and some other instructions on how to actually use different trading platforms. Now you have to use your user ID provided by your broker and the password to log in into the application. It could be used through a web application as we mentioned earlier, or a mobile app. Now once these formalities are done, you would be able to log into the web application, and thereon you can start your trading. Now you have logged into the application, but how do you actually use it? You do it through different sort of devices you have, so make sure you have a decent configuration on these different devices, and from there on you can actually go ahead and start your trading. Then you need to understand some basic terminologies. Now once you log into the application, if you want to, let's say, check out the value of Infosys stock, you will basically type in the script code, which is generally the first three characters of the company name. Infosys, it could be INF. Once you type that, this will enlist you different sort of companies listed under INF. Click on that and you should be able to see the overall details of that particular company. Then there are bid prices, price at which buyers are willing to trade. There are ask prices, prices at which sellers are offering the equity. Volume, that is the number of shares that are open for buying and selling. There are different types of pricings are there. There is open price, that is the price at which the script is opened at the first bell when the share market opened for the day. Then there is high price, that is the highest price clocked by that particular company throughout the day. Similarly, there is low price. Then there is closing price at which the share was traded when the market got closed. Now there are different customization tools that are available, but you have to understand these terminologies to move ahead in the overall share market understanding. Then you need to understand some of the shortcut keys. For example, if you want to copy paste something, what you do on the laptop? You do Control C, Control V. This is a shortcut key. Similarly, if you want to place different orders, if you want to analyze something, if you want to use a specific feature, you can use specific shortcut keys as compared to clicking on different buttons and different icons at different point in time. This saves a lot of time, and basically it helps you to quickly place your trades and learn different features at the same time. Further to that, there are different trading tools. Now these trading tools could be different charts, that could be technical indicators, heat maps. Now all of that basically complement your overall share market trading whilst you are using these different trading platforms. Now, if you don't understand what these technical indicators are, we have separate videos and content on our digitalblogger.com. You can check that out. But obviously, if you want to be very sure that you're going to make a profit out of your trade, you need to have an understanding of these trading tools, these sort of charts and indicators. And once you use those tools to perform your analysis, then you can be definitely confident of making a profit in your trades. There are also online simulators are available in the share market, which basically give you a pseudo sort of a virtual share market trading situation. You don't really need to put money into this, but they definitely help you to take away the sort of fear you might have while you're actually using your money for share market trading. So use these kinds of things while you're making yourself confident enough before you place your trades. Now people will ask, what is the benefit? What do I get if I trade through online sort of a mechanism? Well, there are multiple sort of benefits here. It saves a lot of time while buying or selling a stock. Once you're thinking of calling your broker or a sub broker, it will take up a lot of time in making sure that the overall information is passed along. Now intraday trader understand this problem. Every second counts. So if the control is in your hands, then obviously while you're saving your time, you're actually making a lot of profit as compared to what you could have made if you were using call and trade mechanism. Then it keeps you informed. Alright, now traders and investors want to get information about the trades made on their behalf and the performance of their portfolio. However, it can sometimes become a tedious task to keep calling your dealer or a broker or relationship manager, and while you are unaware of the fact what kind of profits and losses you are making in your trades. In online share trading, there is not such of a problem. You have the control in your hands. You can check out through your mobile app directly. Then it keeps fewer chances of errors. Now when it comes to online, especially share market trading, now there are a lot of things that can actually be a blunder. With online trading, this gets to a minimal level simply because you are not executing over a phone or an offline mechanism. Sometimes they could hear something wrong, they can hear a wrong buying price because you are not the only one who's calling. A lot of other traders are calling up your sub broker and the quantity could be a problem. So these silly mistakes can be avoided, and certainly it can help to make sure that you do not really make a loss in your trades. A single error could actually cost you your portfolio, and these are real instances which have happened in the past. So make sure you are not somebody who's actually doing that as well. Then you have the accessibility factor. You could be anywhere, you could be traveling, you have your mobile app, you can basically just log into the application. You can actually place your orders while you are doing something else. You are probably busy in your office, you can do that as well. Make sure that you churn out some money while you are away. Then watch list is one thing that you need to be very sure of. It's a very big benefit of online trading. In offline trading, it is almost impossible to track specific stocks from the entire script list. With online trading, you can keep a watch on the stocks you want to track. You can always customize the list by adding or removing the scripts you want. With stock watch list, you can easily track price, volume, percentage change, and many other things that you want. So this was a basic tutorial on online shares trading, specially set up for beginner level traders who are basically probably trying to set up their trading sort of habits, or they are migrating from call and trade mechanisms towards an online set of a setup. So if you really like the video, please go ahead and like it at YouTube. You can check out the whole review at digitalblogger.com/online-shares-online-trading. This is available in English and in Hindi for different types of users. If you want us to suggest a stock broker that matches exactly with your requirements, you can check out the other link here, digitalblogger.com/free stock broker suggestion. Provide your details and we will set up a call back for you absolutely free. You can also follow us on different social media channels: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, SlideShare and YouTube. Subscribe us there and certainly share this video so that the maximum knowledge is shared among your friends. Thank you so much again for watching this. Bye bye.